Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Umidigi X, at the first you have to open notification bar, activate Bluetooth, then click and hold this icon to enter Bluetooth settings. Next, we have to activate our second device, so I will pair this sticker from Huawei. So I have to click and hold this button. So click, hold. Right now it's turned off, so let's turn it on one more time. Click, hold. Right now it is in the green color. It means that it is in the pairing mode. Click to pair new device. And here's the name of the sticker. So all we have to do is just to tap on the device that we want to connect. In my case, it will be this one. So click. As you can see, right now this device is connected. So when I go for the camera and I'm going to take a photo, all I have to do is just to press here. And as you can see, the photo was taken. So that's how it looks. That's how we can connect a Bluetooth device to your Umidigi X. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.